Well, we've been through the define, the measure, and the analyze phases of the methodologies, and now we've come to sort of a fork in the road where for the DMAIC methodology we move to improve, and for DMADV we'll move to design. In the improve phase of the DMAIC methodology, we want to do three things: identify the solution, validate it, and then implement it. So identifying the solution, we want to make sure we've got the KPIVs, their optimal levels identified, and the solution is, for the most part, been determined. We then want to validate the solution through primarily a capability study or control charts or something along those lines. We want to assess whether or not it's capable of doing the very thing that we're asking it to do. And then the last thing we want to do is implement this improvement. So although it's the improve phase, we could consider it to be both the improve and the implementation phase of DMAIC. Now moving over to DMADV, in the DMADV methodology we are in the design phase, and the first thing we want to do is identify what the process variables are, and then have the detailed design complete, and then verify that it's capable. Hopefully it would be capable at a Six Sigma capability. In the identifying the process variables, those of course come directly from QFD House 4. So the output is, or the deliverable is, a list of the process variables. In the detailed design, we want the KPIVs, the transfer function, if in fact a transfer function was developed, and then the detail design, of course. And then the last thing in the design phase is make sure we have a test plan and a design scorecard has been developed, and then this will set us up to go into the validate phase. So on the DMAIC side, it's the improve or implementation, and on the DMADV side it's design, and that is the fourth phase of the Six Sigma methodologies.